lots of prizes in the upcoming days.
This is a diverse culture. It's not just Filipinos listening to us.
I know you guys are dying to get to them a ticket.
When I was your age, I never thought about these things. Yes, we're coming to you live from the QCast studio. My name is Francis. Good afternoon once again. Welcome to Live on Q Sport 28. In the afternoon, we have a special guest, or should I say, a set of great people inside the studio. And will be here with us this great afternoon to talk about Topi and their upcoming event this coming October 18, 2024. Please welcome Tanghalang Overseas Pinoy. Yes! Why don't you guys introduce yourselves? On my right, we have...
Hello, good afternoon, everyone. Thank you, Francis, for having us here in QCast. My name is Vin Malyari. I am the current chairman of Tanghalang Overseas Pinoy.
Yun. Hi, Vin. Good afternoon to you. Teacher po si Vin. From what school again?
From Philippine International School, Qatar.
PISQ.
Yeah, from
okay.
PISQ.
And on my left would be
Yeah.
the previous chairman.
Hi, Francis. Good afternoon,
Good afternoon.
and thank you for having us. My name is Homer Hiseta. I'm the ex-chairman
Okay.
of Tanghalang Overseas Pinoy.
All right. And of course, we have the only leaf among the thorns.
Okay.
Go ahead.
Yes, good afternoon.
Can you come
Francis?
closer to the microphone?
Okay. Good afternoon po, and my name is Marife, and thank you, Francis, for having us here in your show.
It's actually my pleasure to have you guys finally on board. It's been a long overdue event, I would say,
Yeah.
session. I've been trying to convince like a lot of people, a lot of folks from Topi to be a guest in any of my podcasts. And finally, you're here. If not for an event, maybe you're not here today. Then,
No. It's just we were so
Okay.
busy.
Yeah.
and,
You're swamped with so much to do in the past few
Exactly.
days. Okay, for those watching right now, somewhat they may have this question: what is Topi all about? And maybe you can tell us a brief history of when it started, diba? Ilang members ba before, and then sino-sino yung mga members dati? Go ahead.
Actually, I have been a member of Tanghalang Overseas Pinoy since 2022.
Wow,
So I remember...
long time ago.
Yes. Actually, na-meet ko si Topi. It's because of a singing competition before.
Oh.
So, I joined a singing competition, the Brilliant Singing Competition. And then, dun ko nakilala yung members of the Tanghalang Overseas Pinoy.
See.
And actually, a brief background in the Philippines, I am actually a choir moderator. Ayan. So,
see.
ang training ko talaga is choral. And then,
I see.
when I came here in Qatar 2021, so parang sabi ko, meron ba ditong mga choral sa Qatar? And then yun lang siguro na I heard of this competition, The Brilliant, and then itong mga kaibigan ko, medyo inano ako na sumali sa competition. Pinush
I see.
ako. So actually, it's my first time joining a competition. And then, yun, everything happened. Ayun, yun na. Tapos doon ko nakilala yung mga members. Sabi ko, meron palang ganito sa Qatar. So, and then, nainganyo ko, parang gusto kong i-try, gusto kong sumali sa ganito. And then I auditioned 2022. And then luckily, natanggap ako sa Tanghalang Overseas Pinoy. And stories started to evolve.
Wow. Okay,
Ayan.
that's just a nice story, a backstory, I would say. How about you, Sir Homer?
I joined Tanghalang Overseas Pinoy in 2020.
Okay.
Okay. I first got a chance to see them perform for their musical Alikabok.
Oh, okay.
So I'm a diehard fan of musicals,
I see.
and nung nakita ko yung Alikabok, I was so impressed with the talent that they have. And sabi ko sa sarili ko, kahit tagahawak lang ako ng timba o ng walis, I would like to do that on stage. Okay,
Okay.
so when there was an announcement for an
audition.
audition the following year, 2020, I tried.
I see.
I was so nervous, but somehow I managed to make it. And then after 2 years, I became the chairman.
Yeah. Congratulations to both of you. In
Yes.
such a short span of time,
Actually,
you were able
I-
to lead the organization, di ba?
I never imagined I will be a chairman of Tanghalang Overseas Pinoy.
You're
Kasi
not daydreaming. You're awake. Okay. How about Mafe?
Well, actually, nalaman ko ang TOPI
Uh-huh.
when I was, that was 2000.
Actually, we're batchmates.
Oh,
we're
batchmates kayo.
kami.
I see.
Yeah. Kasi more on housework lang
see.
talaga ako before. So, my cousin, she's the one who sent me the link of the audition of Tanghalang Overseas
see.
Pinoy.
Okay.
And also one of my friend. So, they sent me the links and I told myself na, why not na mag-try ulit ako? Kasi before, even before in the Philippines, I was already in
theater?
theater.
Oh, okay,
Yeah. We're
okay.
doing Broadway musicals
I
already.
see. So all of you have a common ground, I would say.
Yes.
Ikaw
Yeah.
interested.
Interested.
Ikaw, you have a background.
Yes.
Si Mafe din may background. So you have like a common ground. Okay. My question would be, if not Topi, what would you be doing right now kung walang Topi? Vin.
ako siguro, if hindi ko nakilala si Topi, maybe I would have joined some choral groups, religious choral groups here.
I see.
Kasi sa Philippines, actually, church
Okay.
choir moderator din ako.
I see.
So, I think nandun ako sa linya na
I
yun.
see, I see. How about you, Sir Homer?
Nakakayang aminin pero prior to Toby, actually I was playing Pokemon. Pokemon Go with the Pinoy guys.
Oh my goodness.
We caught one.
Ngayon ko lang nalaman yun.
Seryoso?
Seryoso.
Okay.
As in sa mga kalye, tumatakbo kami,
Talaga?
nakikilaban kami. But then, I started developing this allergy. So I had to find another alternative indoors.
I see,
so
I see.
to speak. So yan.
Okay. That's so weird, no?
Ano
So
kayang
you're
Pokemon
hesitant to
yung
answer the
paborito niya?
question. Ikaw, Mape. I know you were in a band before because we had quite encounters, di ba? There was one time I think I was hosting an event that you were actually a guest. Oh,
That was actually my friend.
I have so much to say. Anyway, go ahead.
Yeah, probably still with
The band.
with the band,
I see.
and at the same time, my cousin will still call me boring life.
I see.
Kasi more on work talaga ako. Doon ako nakafocus.
I see. What is it about Topi that glues you together or bonds you together? What is it about Topi? Hirap ang mga tanong ko. Pang Miss Universe.
Oo nga, tagal eh. No?
Should I shut down my podcast now? Hindi kasi di ba, in any organization, there's always something, a piece which glues everyone together, di ba? Kasi there's always times that you'll be disagreeing with each other. You may not have the same, I would say, you may not have the same reasons. You may not have the same answers. You always be in disagreement. But there's always something that you would sail together. Diba? Anong meron sa Topi na merong ganon wherein all through those years, I know that you have also issues on the side. We don't have to talk about it. But still, you are together despite all these trials and challenges. So what do you think is this, I would say, trait that bonds you together as an organization?
Maybe, actually, nung nakilala ko si Topi, I was
Nagkita ng
amazed
background
by
music. Joke lang.
I was amazed by the objective and
Okay.
the common parang goal or ng Tanghalang Overseas Pinoy. And I was amazed na nakita ko na Topi is a non-profit organization.
Yes, okay. To begin
That-
with.
Yes.
Yeah, for those
Topi
who
is
didn't know.
actually a non-profit organization since 2005. So I was amazed. This group is actually existing for how many years?
Yeah.
And they are doing these shows, and sometimes yung mga, say for example, they are doing it for free.
Perfect.
Even the rehearsals, even the shows, they're doing it for the sake of sharing the passion for arts and music.
Okay.
And of course, sharing the Filipino culture.
I see.
So, yun siguro yung isa sa talagang naging parang naging basis ko na sabi ko, I want to be a part of this organization because it's not just any organization, but rather it's a Filipino organization that shares a common passion for the love of music and arts, sharing Filipino culture. Yun yung maganda kasi sa organization na to. And
So
yun din
about
yung
passion of what
yes, it's
this
about
entire I would say teatro, yung yung pagiging passionate nyo sa teatro.
Yes, totoo.
Okay, so he answered passion. How about you, Sir Homer? What do you think?
Definitely, it's not about the money.
Definitely no.
No. Pero I think I think I've been privileged to meet genuine people.
Yes.
Kasi ang maganda sa Topi, iba-ibang klaseng personalidad.
Yes.
You know, and you'll get all yung spectrum ng mga
that's
kakaiba, may mga toyo, may mga ganyan. Pero alam mo, pero ang galing kasi ang kulit ng
That's true,
Topi.
that's true, actually.
Ang kulit ng Topi, and they will always find a reason to make fun of anything. Alam mo yun, yung talagang patatawarin ka. And in spite of the personality differences, kumbaga, when there's an event, everything comes together.
Yes.
I agree with you. I've seen
Everything
it so
comes
many
together.
times.
And
Yes.
at the same time, it's a journey where we discover ourselves, our limitations, ano pa yung mga ibang talents that we might have na medyo dahil hindi kami confident,
Okay.
unti-unti lumalabas, and we have a lot of good mentors
Yes.
within our
Yes.
group.
I
Yeah, that's
agree
so
with that.
nice to
Yes,
hear.
yes.
Okay, so passion, spectrum of characters. Ikaw na naman, Faye.
Ang sa akin, nasabi na nila pa.
Ano ba yan? Gusto ko pa naman pumiga ng tao ngayon. I want to hear the best out of you. Okay, so anyway, it's hard for you as a chairman, I would say, and also for you as a past chairman. I know you had some struggles. There's a lot of
Yes.
bumps when handling these kinds of organizations. As you've said, it's always about spectrum of ideas and characters. Iba-ibang pagkatao, iba-ibang ugali.
Yes.
Right? So, what was the worst thing that ever happened to you in managing the people that yung tipong parang ikaw mismo inisip mo, I want to give up? May dumating ba sa point na gano'n? Like,
Actually, for me,
no, I'm curious about it. Go ahead.
actually, kasi yung personality ko, I'm not the type of person na always, parang, kumbaga ako yung klase ng tao na I just want to be in the middle. Ayoko din ng may kinakampihan, ayoko din ng may kinakasamaan ng loob. Gusto ko happy lang yung family. So, maybe, minsan kapag may mga members na, and syempre hindi naman may iwasan since teatro tayo, mga artista nga yung mga members
yes.
natin.
You know what?
Actually, mga
it
arte
adds
yung mga
life to the
members.
organization, diba?
Yan. So,
Okay.
siguro yung pumagitna sa isang, say for example, yung isang hindi pagkakaunawaan, and how can I manage this group over this group, na gusto ko nagkakaintindihan kami lahat, and at the same time, kahit magkaroon ng problema, at the end of the day, nandun pa din yung camaraderie, nandun pa din yung
Yes,
love.
that's true.
Siguro iyon yung pinaka-challenging talaga sa akin. Kung paano ko i-hold yung dalawang grupo in such a way na walang maargabyado and walang magbe-benefit over the other. Parang fair lang.
That's what we call unconditional love. Sometimes you have to sacrifice your own happiness para hindi maisapwera yung isa.
Yes.
You have to make sure that everyone is well accounted for,
Yes,
lahat ng
yes.
ideas
Yes.
and lahat ng mga iniisip, lahat yun na-account so that everybody gets involved, walang naiiwan. Diba? Mas masaya yung samahan.
Yeah, that's
And
correct.
I have to be honest, I've seen that kind of trait in your organization kasi hindi naman siguro, ang tawag dito, hindi naman siguro, anong tawag doon? Iba sa ibang tao. Sorry, may Tagalog is ibang tao na we always go with each other. I mean, we always had work with each other in the past few years and months. And I've seen how this organization is, how well bonded you are. Na kahit meron kayong mga issues still, if there's an event with one person involved, for example, may isang member nasa band, you would all go there together to support that person.
Yes.
It's so fulfilling para sa isang member nyo na gagawin nyo yun para sa kanya. And he or she may not say the same thing, but I would say na as an spectator, outside looking in, I would feel na, wow, this person's being valued by the group. So that means to say, you guys value each other.
Yes.
Diba? Tama ba ako?
Yes. Tama naman.
Okay.
Thank you so much for
Dami ko sinabi. Para kayong Topi. Actually, in-invite ka nga namin sa Topi. Papatayin mo na kay Miss Christine Chiba ka.
audition na ba to?
Hindi pa. Okay, how about you, Sir Homer? Going back to my question.
Okay, ano ba? Actually, I never thought of quitting nung
Yeah.
chairman ako. Parang I've always believed na sa sarili ko, what I have started, I have to finish. Siguro, ang challenge lang talaga was, yun nga, navigating through different groups of people,
Yes.
different personalities where you have to make some compromises at
Yes,
times.
yes.
And for me, coming from a professional experience of management, the challenge is how do you lead this group or how do you manage this group? Like, I wanted to do it professionally, pero sa mga organizations, we have this sense na parang family tayo.
Yeah.
So, you have to balance that.
You have to strike a balance all the time.
But I wanted to be strict. I wanted to be organized. Di ba yung ganon? So, doon ako medyo nahirapan kasi minsan may magrereklamo, parang hindi na tayo pamilya. Ang sobrang stricto, parang ganyan. Pero syempre, we are still an organization.
Yes.
So you have to be organized. You have to have rules.
Yeah.
You have to have discipline.
Discipline.
At the same time, yung makeup din ng group is challenging wherein you have the more seasoned performers.
Yes.
Then you have the novice, yung mga nagsisimula
members.
pa lang,
Yes.
and therefore you could not give them yung mga spicy na mga roles like that. And how do you make them feel valued?
I see. Yeah, it's really hard because
Right.
there could be like it could start jealousy, diba?
Yes.
Parang iisipin ng iba, eto na naman, siya na naman. Diba? Siya na yung last
tama.
time eh.
Nice.
And I've been in the organization for such a long time. I've never given like a major role, diba? May mga
Right.
ganun. Well, most likely you've encountered those things.
Yeah, and so hindi naman pwede lahat bida.
Yeah, that's true.
So,
that's true.
and also, it's not only the performance. Sometimes you also need help on the technical part.
Yes.
On the backstage, kumbaga, di ba? Yung mga nag-handle ng sounds,
Yes,
yung mga
that's true.
ganong tulong, kailangan
Yeah,
din namin. And lastly, yung klase ng members wherein you have the adults, then you will have young people.
I see.
Kasi we have members who are young. And
Yeah.
then, at the same time, the parents also. Because since you have young people with you,
Yes.
you're answerable to the
Yeah.
parents.
Yes.
Making sure na nababantayan ng mabuti yung mga anak nila, and whatever we teach them are, alam mo naman, yung
Good
tamang
values.
Yes,
Tama,
that's
tama.
right.
Yeah, it's also one thing that I really admire about Topi kasi of all the times I've been with you guys, wala pa akong narinig na nagmurang bata sa grupo nyo, which is quite unusual. And it's also, at the same time, it's also wow. It's like a wow feeling. Like everyone here is really respected, diba?
Yes.
And they're so respectful.
Yes.
Yung mga bata sa organization ninyo. Okay, let's go to Mafe.
Well, for me, ako kasi experience ko, ako yung medyo, sa amin kasi mga officers, ako yung medyo maboka.
Okay.
Ako yung magsasalita.
Kayo laging galit. Akala ko si Tin.
Hindi, parang,
Okay.
naipasa
Palitan
din
kayo.
sa akin ni Ate Tin.
Okay.
Hindi, ako kasi talaga yung minsan dumadating sa punto na yung init ng ulo ko is,
Yung init ng ulo niya nandito na. Oh.
oo. Ako yung tipong magsasalita ako at magsasalita ng hanggat hindi ako yung nakaka-feel na
Yes.
okay na ako o kalmado na ako. Talagang nirarad ko talaga sa mga kapwa ko officers.
yes.
I think that's all fine. It's part of building trust and building relationship. Because you get to see the real person kapag nagagalit na, di ba?
Yes.
Yeah.
And at the same time, it's also one way for the other party to make some adjustments. Kasi hindi naman pwedeng one way lang lahat.
Yes,
It should be like a
that's
two-way process.
Yes.
Relationship is always two-way. You have to adjust sometimes. At yung isa naman, kailangan nyo rin mag-adjust para sa iyo.
yeah. Yes.
So, bigayan ba?
Yes,
And
tama.
I think, perfectly, I would say, the team, the organization is running perfectly fine.
Thank you.
Outside looking in, just based on my observation, right? And I believe that's also the reason why Topi has been around for how many years now?
Actually,
Diba?
we will be celebrating our
Oh,
20th,
diba?
20th.
20th year next year.
Next year. Yeah.
Inshallah.
Yeah, you will be. And I'd be so glad if I'd be part of it.
Yes,
Member
Of
ka na
course.
nun by that time.
Mag-audition na daw siya.
Drop it. Wag mo na ngayon, pause ako eh.
Sakto na
Okay.
dito naman ang ating musical
Okay.
director.
Sayang na wala si sino si Sir Homer ba? Okay. All right. Before we discuss the concert or I would say the event happening this October 18, do you have any opening for I would say an audition currently, or would you prefer na tapusin muna tong event na to, then you move on with another set of audition for new members, or do you have any plans of that in the future?
Actually, before we had an audition, before magsimula tong project na to, we had an audition and sinusubukan kasi namin yung audition namin is per project basis.
Oh, I see.
So
what do you mean by per project? Oh, for any kind
yes,
of
for any kind
okay,
of
okay,
project. Because right now, even TOPI is a Filipino organization. We are starting to kumbaga minamanage namin. We are just trying to manage some nationalities to involve in our group.
other nationalities.
Other nationalities
I
to
see.
involve in our. Actually, we have already
Arna.
Arna.
Yan, okay.
Yan. So nakakatuwa
So
kasi.
what's gonna happen then if you're trying to involve other nationalities, hindi na siya TOPI, tanghalang overseas,
Oo.
tanghalang OFW.
Kaya we are trying to navigate on this. We're trying to
Modify the-
manage or
I see.
parang siguro magiging per project basis
Oh,
kapag
okay.
gusto naming involve yung other nationalities. But still, we are still kumbaga we are still living up to this objective and values ng TOPI.
I see. Okay, for any kind of event, siyempre you have to put certain people for certain characters, di ba?
Okay.
Yes.
Who does that? I mean, kasi on set, you will not be able to identify the person right away. Kung sino yung fit dun sa role, di ba? Do you do like audition for this kind of role, or you do those things as well? Is it like a tedious process, or do you also encourage others na yung parang may talent tapos di naman member, open lang natin to, let's see if this person would be fitting into the role? Ganun ba? Or you only focus on the members? Dun muna kayo nag-audition?
Primarily, we do this casting call
Okay.
and we focus syempre for the members first.
Members
Kasi
first,
we need to
yes.
develop
Okay.
them, right?
Okay.
Pero siguro kung talagang medyo kulang, that's the
the
time
only
that we,
Yes.
we open it up.
Oh, I see.
And it's a good thing kasi, actually ngayong taon na to, ngayong year na to, maraming mga new members.
Okay. Yeah, I've
Yes.
seen the cast.
Yeah.
It's actually
There are
there's
a lot of new
faces.
members.
Yeah.
Talagang makikita mo talaga na TOPI is a mix of different ages talaga. May
It's
mga young, may mga middle,
Mm-hmm.
may mga seasoned, may mga young at hearts. Kaya nakakatawa.
Natitira nga yung mga young at heart.
Majority na kasi ngayon sa members ng TOPI are mga
Mga
bagong
bag,
members
yes, mga
talaga.
bagong
Do you think, okay, have you ever felt like some sort of intimidation with the no. It happens in real life, di ba? Yung parang pag may bagong pamasok, you would somehow feel like, hindi naman siguro intimidation, let's put it at a lower level. Parang magkakaroon ka ng konting doubt sa sarili mo na parang, this person is doing a lot better than me. Parang,
I think for
Hindi
me, it will be a sort of parang positive reinforcement ba?
Yes.
Kumbaga, parang, syempre, minsan mararamdaman natin na parang I'm always doing the same. Parang this time, kapag may bagong pumasok
you have to level up.
Yeah, I
diba?
have to
Oh,
level
okay,
up.
yeah.
So
That's
doon
nice.
nagkakaroon ng kumbaga
Yeah.
ng professional
Yes,
ano,
that would be a
growth,
better
parang ganun,
approach.
yes.
That would be a better approach.
It's
At
okay.
least-
Actually, it's okay for me.
Yeah. So it's not really a competition, but it's more
Yes,
like how you can cope up
Yes, tama.
with the intensity that these new people are bringing in.
Yes.
Diba?
And
So
of
you
course,
have
may
to be
mga-
adjacent
Oo.
all the time.
Yeah, and actually for some
Especially
naman,
for some people. Hindi, yung pareho kaliwa yung paa.
Hindi, actually for some
Di ba?
people,
Go ahead.
I would like to think na yung karamihan din sa members ng TOPI are quite, let's say, mapagbigay.
Yes.
In the way na, nagawa ko na to pasa naman natin sa
Yes,
iba.
that's
You know,
nice.
may mga ganong attitude.
Totoo.
And also, I think meron ding opportunity to go beyond performing. Like I've seen si Miss Kristen Chi.
Yeah.
Slowly nakita ko yung talent niya into the
Yes.
directing.
Ay,
Diba?
diba? Asan kaya yun ngayon? Christine G?
Actually, hindi nga
Shout out kay
dapat
Christine
kasama
Chi.
siya ngayon eh. Pero hindi ko alam kung nasaan siya.
Baka mamaya pag gano'n ko ng finger.
Baka
andyan
mamaya
siya.
nandiyan lang siya sa tabi-tabi.
Oh, so
Alright.
may mga ganong opportunities
Yes, yes.
din, I think.
And actually, I appreciate that kind of character that you elders are showing to the new ones. Yung parang they would feel somehow that they're venturing the right, I would say, organization and the right career on the side. Perhaps kung hindi pa yun yung talagang pinaka-iniisip nila in the future. But somehow, these kinds of extracurricular activities na ginagawa nila, for some people, they may just see it as performing, di ba? Pero para sa akin, it's also a way to boost someone's confidence.
Yes.
To step on stage,
Yes.
to break the ice is so hard.
Yes.
Especially kung beginner ka,
Yes.
it's really hard. You cannot do that. So I think Utopia as an organization is doing a great job in exposing them, to a bigger stage,
Yep.
diba? That they can use somehow pag nag-apply sila ng work, right?
True,
It's a boost of confidence,
Yes.
diba? Tama ba ako?
Tama na.
Alright.
Actually,
Palakpakan natin ako.
Actually, minsan kahit seasoned member
Okay.
ka na, kahit old member ka na, sometimes there is still this, kumbaga, meron pa din yung feeling of stage fright. Parang
Yeah,
ganun.
yeah,
Minsan
yeah.
nangyayari pa rin talaga siya kahit seasoned
Talaga?
member.
Up
Yes,
until this
actually.
point? I
totoo.
see. Oh, okay.
Ako, sakit ko na yan.
And you know what? I just want to take what you have said a while
Yes.
ago, Francis, na kumbaga doon natin makikita yung mentorship and
Yes.
parang yung, kasi on the show
Mm-hmm.
na we will be having, makikita nyo na there are new faces really talaga that taking on the stage.
Mm-hmm. Yes.
And
It's nice.
we are actually very proud of
Mm-hmm.
them. Kasi 'di ba, to step on that stage and give your best foot, 'di ba?
That's true.
Talaga nakaka-amaze talaga, nakaka-proud talaga.
We are all excited about it. Anyway,
Yes.
we'll take a quick break and we'll be back with, I think we'll be adding another guest.
Yes.
Yeah, I'm so excited for this one. Just to have a mixture of age. Sila tayo parang magkaka... Okay, we'll be right sabi bubulang talaga. We'll be coming right back. You guys stay where you are.
Take a break. We'll be right back.
Maharlika Park Restaurant, serving your favorite Filipino specialties in the heart of Doha. Located at the center, Muntaza, Doha, Qatar. Open from Saturday to Thursday, 10 a.m. to 12 midnight, and Fridays from 8 a.m. to 12 midnight. Maharlika Park Restaurant. Maharlika Park Restaurant is also available in Talabat.
Uy, uwi na. Oo, sige. Kailangan ko lang ito tapusin. Bye-bye.
Yes, ma. Opo, ito, pauwi na. Sige na, ma. Tulog ka na dyan. Bye. Love you.
supposed to go, please?
Excuse me. Isa lang po yung in-order ko. Ay, sorry. Ikaw ba'y nakaupo dito?
Ay, hindi. Okay lang. Pwede naman na share.
Sure ka? Teka! Parang kilala kita.
Welcome back to Live on Cue.
We got lots of prizes in the upcoming days.
This is a diverse culture. It's not just Filipinos listening to us.
I know you guys are dying to get to them a ticket.
When I was your age, I never thought about these things.
Hey, we got 2 minutes before hitting 5 o'clock in the afternoon. Still here on Live on Cue together with Francis. And this time we have our new guests, Ella and of course Arkisha. Good afternoon to both of you. Yes, pakilala naman kayo sa ating mga viewers.
Hi! Ako nga pala ang inyong kabeshi, Ella! And kabamshi, Ella.
Asa
Medyo
yung kahon?
mahihain kasi ako.
Kala ko may dala kang kahon. Okay, Arkisha.
Hello everyone, my name is Arkisha Denise D. Cortez, and I am the representative of Young Gen.
Ah, that's so nice. Okay, so at least right now we have a good balance of old people. Just joking.
Ang lakas maka-old.
And the youngsters. Sige. To continue with our podcast this afternoon, I want to give way first to all our viewers right now who's currently watching. Saying hi to Bren Liam Villanueva.
Hi, Brent.
Sabi niya, Tita Ella with a lot of A. Sabi ni naman ni Drew Meridian Manuel, let's go Arkisha. Right? Seska's also watching at the moment. Jarlene Datol is also watching. Go Mom, she Ella. We have a lot of fans. Dami mo hakot. Homer says, ang saya. Okay. Beshi niya daw yan si Francesca. Sabi ni Seska.
Hi, mga beshi ko. Diyan lang kayo.
Okay, sige. Well, we have a lot more, but we'll go through your shout-outs once we're closing to the end of the show. Okay, we still have like 30 minutes, and we'll be talking a lot more about the event happening on October 18. Again, it's the back-to-school event, back-to-school show event at the Al-Awsaj Academy Auditorium. Yeah, the show starts at...
we have actually two shows.
Two shows,
so,
yeah.
That will be on October 18,
Yes.
and then we have two shows at 3 p.m. to 5 p.m.
Okay.
And then we have 7:30 to 9:30
Okay,
p.m.
all right. So tickets, you can buy it through
Yes, actually tickets are available
q-tickets.com.
at, yes.
Okay, and the prices are
We have 50 reals and 80
50 and
reals,
80.
yes.
So affordable. Take the family with you. You'll enjoy it for sure. Sige, balikan natin yung ating mga special guest ngayong hapon. Puntahan mo natin kay Mami Ella. Unang tanong.
Sinasabi ko na.
Sige. Because as a mom, I'm pretty sure you have like a lot of things that you consider in taking care of Arkisha, at the same time sending her to the correct places and people that she goes along with, diba? Kasi she's still a child in your eyes, and she will always be your baby even though malaki na siya. So what made you decide to allow Arkisha to join Tanghalang Overseas Pinoy? Ano yung mga nakita mo na, uy, pwede to para sa mga bata? I think a lot of moms out there might be thinking the same thing right now. Sige, go ahead.
Thank you for that question.
Okay, go.
I need a translator. Hindi, actually, bago ko pa kasi nakilala si Toby, naririnig ko na siya
I see.
before.
Mga
maganda
walang taon
kasi
to? Hindi, sige,
Way
sige.
back, mga
Way back.
2017
I see.
pa.
Tagal na, no?
So, oo. So, syempre, hindi naman ako magbibida-bida
Bida-bida.
na sumali ako. Which is, nakikita ko naman yung bata na may potential.
I see.
And nakikita ko yung mga ates. Marami pa silang mga elders, no?
Hinay-hinay lang ako.
Oo. Pero kasi, habang tumatagal, makikita mo yung pag-aalaga nila sa mga although may
makes
mga
sense.
stricto talaga, which is kailangan talaga sa group.
I
So, nasa mabuting kalagayan naman si Kish.
I see.
At the same time, napapagsabay ng mga kabataan, yung schools nila, napapriority nila yon.
I see. That's the most important thing. Kasi itong mga ginagawa nila, it's only temporary. Diba? In the
Lalo
long
na
run-
sa mga, kasi siya sa online schooling
Oh,
siya
okay,
eh.
okay.
So, at least, mayroon siyang activity outside.
I
So,
see.
yun.
Does it give you like a little bit of freedom, knowing that you only have to focus on homeschooling? You don't have to wake up early in the morning like the usual kids do nowadays. They have to wake up, they have to take a bath, take a ride going to school and back home again. Does it make you like more? I would say it gives you more enough time to participate in any event with the Tanghaling Overseas Pinoy.
I wouldn't say like enough time.
Okay, so it's not enough for you.
It's not.
Maybe just now because you are heading to the final week.
Yeah.
But obviously for like regular days, I would say it's all right.
Yeah, it is.
I see. So how's the experience so far? Being with how many years with Toby, by the way?
5.
5 years. How's it
Started
been?
when?
I started noong 2019.
I see. How's everything so far? How was the experience?
It was fun, especially.
It was.
It is.
Ngayon hindi na siya
I thought
fun.
it's the end.
Is.
Okay, go.
It
is
is
fun.
because I got to meet new people
I see.
and make my community bigger.
I
pa.
see. All right. Okay. I think your mom. I believe your mom is so proud of you. All right. We all are actually. And
Lagi
then-
akong proud.
Of course. Stage mom. Diba? All right. If I were to ask you, say, for example, what would be your life if Topi was not around? What would you be doing?
I would probably.
Pokemon. No, you.
I would probably be at my house. Probably,
Having a boring life.
Yeah.
Boring.
Staying at my
Okay.
house only.
What is something with Topi that makes you come back every time they have a project or participate every time they have a project? Thank you, candidate number 1. Go ahead, think about it. I mean, there could be something that makes you come back to them every time they have an event. Because I've seen some members as well who's been part of it, and right now they're gone.
Yeah.
Right.
For me, it's the members.
I see. You stick with your age group, or what do you mean?
Both.
Both. I see. What is it that you like most about your mentors? I would say. What is it that you like about them?
They're not really strict, pero they know when to take it
I
seriously.
see. Oh, that's nice. Oh.
Napapatingin ka.
Maybe you're just saying those things because Map is across. Without Mappy looking at you right now. Tell me.
Sabi mo pag pinandidilagan ka ni Ate Mami.
Gaganon na ng mama mo yung ulo.
Dadaganan na.
Okay. All right. Sige. I have other questions. Say for example lang, okay. 5 years from now, all right, and Topi is still around, okay. Do you see yourself still part of the organization? All right. For all of you. 5 years from now, how old are you now?
14.
14. So you'll be turning 19 by then.
Ako,
Huwag na sabihin.
by that time, siguro I'm
by that time.
27.
Yeah, kasi, you know why I asked this question? Kasi may mga members kayo who's been with the organization since the start,
Yes.
right? And they're still around. They're still mentoring. They're still giving
yes.
like advices. The most, I would say, the most impressive thing would be they're still joining every time you have a presentation, di ba? So, what do you think is? How do you see it in like 5 years from now?
Actually ako, isa talaga sa mga inspiration ko
For the
dito sa
record,
Topi. Ayan.
magto-throwback to after 5 years.
Recorded to.
Actually,
May resibo tayo, may resibo. Wala ka. Sige, go ahead.
I always mention this to the
Yeah.
to the seasoned members, especially the core group. They are actually my inspiration. Kasi nakita ko, they have been a member of Topi since before, since their
I see.
earlier years,
Years.
di ba? So sabi ko, bakit hanggang ngayon nandito pa rin sila sa Topi? Bakit di pa sila umaate? Joke lang. No. So parang nakita ko. So sabi ko, maybe there is something talaga sa Topi that actually bonds these people. And I want to experience that too. So sabi ko, as long as nandito ako sa Qatar, I will be a member of Topi.
That's so nice. Wow. And you would be the ever supportive mom as long as Topi is there. Diba? Okay, Mafe, going back to you, okay, as the maestra of the organization right now, I'm pretty sure that you're handling a bigger responsibility in terms of teaching at the same time, managing your time as well, personally, because you have a regular job, di ba? May day job ka. How do you strike a balance between all these things happening right now, especially for this stretch, last week stretch before the event? Paano mo ginagawa na i-balance lahat ng mga
Actually,
bagay-bagay?
no choice talaga. No choice ka na kasi talagang
Okay.
kailangan mo rin pagtuunan ng
Yes.
pansin yung mga members, lalo na yung kailangan talaga ng more support. Yeah.
Ba talagang dedication, no?
Actually, nakakatawa nga kasi she's having one-on-one session with the soloist.
I
And
see. Wow.
actually, so much time talaga yung binibigay ng mga officers natin in the core group, especially si Maestra, sa pagtuturo sa mga soloists natin. And we all appreciate that.
Yeah. Everybody appreciates all
Yes,
your
yes.
efforts. Yung pagiging stage mother.
Yes, actually,
Yung pagiging...
gusto ko rin i-commend si Mami Ella
Yeah.
for being supportive mom to our
Yes.
Keisha. And of course, all the mommies and the daddies ng Topi. Actually,
Palakpakan natin sila.
they are actually helping us in many things talaga. And showing our continuous support sa group. Kaya
Nakita ko yun.
maraming salamat po.
Nakita ko yun. Even if they have to shell out money from their own pockets.
Yes.
Di ba?
Totoo.
And
totoo.
that's really pure love.
Yes.
Diba? Siguro, ba't di ka sumali na lang? Di ba?
Member na ko
Actually,
natin
gusto
ng
talaga
teatro.
namin i-involve din yung mga parents, di ba?
Oo nga.
This time sila naman yung
Oo.
aarte, no? Yung
I
mga
think
anak
maybe-
naman nila yung manonood sa kanila.
Parang sa tingin ko, mas mag-work ako pag nag-support na lang ako.
No. You know what? It would be so ideal. I think it's a smart thing to do, especially for the next project. Tapos yung parents naman yung
Oo
i-expose,
nga,
no?
no? You gave us an idea,
Sir
Francis.
Marvin.
Mami Ann, kumusta ka dyan?
Diba?
Mami Ann.
I mean,
Shout
all this
out.
time, you were at the background of every event. So it's about time you take the spotlight as well.
Masaya naman kami na napapanood namin sila.
Ayaw
na
talaga.
nagsashine talaga sila. Kasi
Ayaw
may
talaga ni
moment
Mela.
naman ako ng sarili ko.
Okay. Alright.
Actually, nakakatuwa din si Kish kasi nauna pa sa amin si Kish. Kish has been a member of Topi since...
So dapat siya yung chairman ngayon.
And nakakatawa kasi since then, talaga nakita ko din yung improvement talaga ni Kish.
Kasi mahiyain talaga
Yes,
siya dati.
mahihain siya, pero
Oo.
alam mo, isa sa pinakatahimik and pinakamagal. Although lahat naman ng mga kids natin is respectful. So, nakita ko lang din talaga na na sobrang improvement niya when it comes to musicality, and super magalang talaga si Kish.
Sige.
Ako yung nanay kasi.
And syempre, of course, kay Mami Ella, hindi naman magiging magalang yan kung hindi dahil kay Mami Ella.
Tama na, ayoko na. Mamaya, next episode, together with Ella lang. Kami lang. Tambalang Ella at Francis.
Magbibida-bida lang tayo dito.
Okay. Anyway, take me to the process. Okay? For example, meron kayong bagong members. Okay? No visto. Wala siyang kaalam-alam, wala siyang background sa theater. But you somehow see the potential and you see the dedication sa taong yun. Paano yung process nyo and how you groom one person to be able to be confident na sumayaw at kumanta sa stage? Like, next example, sabi nyo, si Kish, before she was so timid and shy, di ba? Right now, you perform well. Sumasayaw ka, nakangiti ka, di ba? Yung kumpiyansa mo sa sarili mo, it's really up to this level. So, paano yung ginagawa? How do you make that work?
Actually, we have actually different kinds of workshops. Meron kaming mga vocal workshops, meron
Okay.
kaming mga stage and acting workshop. So, yun din yung yung nakakatawa kasi right now we have a director for the
Okay.
show, for the upcoming show. And nakakatawa kasi he's giving everything talaga.
Oh,
Lahat ng acting workshop.
Yeah.
Actually, yun yung mga makukuha mo sa Topi kapag nag-member ka sa Topi for free.
Wow.
Diba? Imagine that. Instead na magbayad ka pa sa theater or acting workshop sa labas, you can get it for free kapag sumali ka sa Topi. Ayan. And of course, we have musical workshops or music workshop, voice, yun nga. Tapos, meron ding iba't ibang klase ng workshop. And of course, meron din tayong valuing. May values din na tinuturo habang ginagawa nila yung mga workshops na yun.
That's really nice.
Para mas maging holistic yung development ng member.
Holistic development.
Oo. Idagdag ko lang din
Go ahead.
kay Chair.
Yeah.
Kasi nilalabas talaga ng Topi yung talent ng bawat
I see.
individual.
I see.
So, kagaya nung, kahit
Ni
hindi
Kish.
lang si Kish, yung ibang mga kabataan o ibang mga ganon. Oo, nilalabas
Yeah,
kasi
yeah.
talaga nila yung ano.
Ba't di ba natin ilabas?
Talented naman ako.
Ibang level yung talent
Oo,
natin eh.
Hindi,
Ibang
kasi ang
level.
ginagawa kasi namin sa Topi talaga, lahat. Kapag merong mga events, merong mga show, talagang lahat yan.
Rigorous training.
Yeah.
Ine-ensure namin na lahat magkakaroon kayo ng point.
I
Yes.
see. I see. You'll never know when your time will come,
Yes.
so you have to be ready.
And we have to be fair also. That's why we are having series of casting calls.
That's nice. That's nice. Okay. Wow. Amazing. Okay. So, yung parang process nyo and how you groom the person. Now, say for example naman, may mga times ba na you have to let go of a person from the organization? Or do they do it by themselves? Like, parang umaalis na lang bigla?
Siguro,
And what do you think would be the reason why they do that?
I think for
Although
me,
it's hindi naman to lahat. I mean, I've seen you that you have like the core is still there, it's intact. Pero I would say siguro yung mga, alam mo yung mga passerby lang na tao. Yun.
yes, marami naman talaga. Actually, since Topi is a non-profit organization din, and it's purely voluntary.
I
So,
see. Kala nila nakikita sila sa
Oo.
Topi.
Hindi sila kikita,
Ay,
pero
bayan.
matututo sila.
Yes.
Yeah, yeah.
Alam mo yung mga matututunan mo dito sa Topi, hindi talaga siya matutumbasan ng kahit na
Yeah,
ano.
that's
Kasi may mga matututunan ka na hindi mo naman matututunan sa loob ng classroom.
Yes, yes.
'Di ba? Ako, teacher ako, pero kahit teacher ako, may natututunan pa din ako
Yes,
sa
that's nice.
sa Topi na sa tingin ko hindi matutumbasan ng kahit na ano. Yung samahan, yung tawanan, yung iyakan, yung inisan, yung pag-aaway, parang normal lang talaga siya sa
Normal
isang
siya sa
teatro.
family.
It's
Normal
what we
siya
call
sa
family. Yeah,
Yes.
ganun talaga yun.
And siguro pag may umaalis, syempre nalulungkot din kami, pero saglit lang.
Nakamove on na agad.
Nakamove on na kami.
May umalis ba na di ka nalungkot?
Actually, nalulungkot kami kasi syempre, since bumuo na kami ng family and one of a family member will eventually go due to unforeseeable reason, parang ganun.
Or could
We
be
have-
like a better choice in life. Kasi
Yes.
sabi ko nga kanina, this is not forever.
Yes,
diba?
it's
Say for example,
temporary.
alis ka na ng bansa. Alam nga naman, babalik ka dito para
Yes.
mag-perform. Di ba?
Nakakatuwa
Or you
lang
for
kasi.
good in the country,
Yes,
right?
yes.
Or you have to move to a different country in the
Hindi
Middle
naman
East.
natin sila
mga
pwedeng
ganun ba?
pigilan, di ba?
You cannot demand those
Yes.
things. Okay, anyway. Yeah, that's really a good answer. Alright, sige. Batiin mo natin yung mga nasa ating... Ang dami na nila. Ang dami na. So, Maureen Feliz. This sabi niya, Shakira! Sino to? Sino to?
Kapatid ko.
Oh, okay. Isa din. Ayan. Kish, sabi ni Bren Liam. Rosana, hi mom, Ansi, gagaling ng anak niyo. Oh, so nice. And what else? Nori Dismas, Kish Go Go. Dami mong fans, Kish. Nakapag-podcast, sabi ni Bren Liam Baginwaba. Okay. Drew, Meridian, Manuel, Go Kish. Wow. Dami pa. Sir Demi, andito sa loob ng studio pero nagko-comment pa.
Ganyan sila ka-supportive.
Yeah. I appreciate you guys are staying with us this afternoon. It's 5:16 right now. We have a lot to talk about, especially with the event happening this coming October 18, 2024 at the Al Osaj Academy Stadium. Again, show starts at 3 p.m.
Yes,
to 5 and the next one will be at 7
7:30.
till 9 7:30 till 9 o'clock. 9:30 in the nighttime. And you can score your tickets at q-tickets.com. And of course, you have to come in earlier so you can get a better view.
A better view.
Yes. Okay. Sige. Pag-usapan natin yan once we come back after the break. You guys stay where you are.
Take a break. We'll be right back.
Bago na lang tumatawa.
5:23 is our time in the afternoon. It's our final stretch of Live on Q this Saturday. Thank you so much, guys, for being with us. It's an honor for me as well to be joined by Tanghalang Overseas Pinoy. You know what? I've known you since 2019, ever since I work in the station. And some of the young faces here, they were not around, but some of the older ones I've seen before. Yeah, remember 2019, and we bumped to each other that time. I reviewed the video. That was the si Tin pa tong kabanggaan ko doon. Oh my God. Alright, you'll never know that.
Kaya wag kayong matakot na may mga banggain kayong pogi.
You never know what the future holds talaga. Anyway. Okay. Sige. This time, we'll be talking about the upcoming concert na since it's been all fun this afternoon. We want to take it on a serious road. October 18 would be the back to school show with Topi. Tell us more about the event. What is it about? What is the content of this show? How will you be presenting this to the public? What is it? Tell me. Sige.
Actually, this back to school show is actually it's in partnership with Funon as our producer.
Yep.
So this time we have a producer that's Funon. So thank you so much.
And directed by
Marvin Tejada.
Yes. One of the best in the industry.
Yes. Actually, we learned so much from him.
Yeah.
Ayan. So this back to school show is actually a series of it's a mix of the different Broadway musicals,
Disney songs.
Ayan. So hindi na namin papakalanan kung ano mga musicals.
Yes.
But
Let's
I know
leave it
you're
there.
familiar. Yes.
They're in for a surprise and a
familiar
treat.
with this.
Yeah, okay.
And of course, we want to cater the students. We want to cater the parents, the kids. Kaya yun, gusto na namin invite siya. And we want to showcase here. We want to show the different seasons in a school year na experience ng mga students sa
really
loob ng isang school year.
Okay. So this is like a family-friendly event.
Yes.
Exactly.
You can take the kids with you. No age restriction,
Yes,
right?
No.
Okay. Even toddlers.
Even fetus if you want.
Actually, meron. Ay, bumabanat ka na.
Learn from the
Kasama
best.
natin. Kasama natin si OG tayo. Okay. Anyway, so going back to this event, which is directed by Direct Marvin Tejada, I'm pretty sure a lot of people will be so surprised and will be so amazed with the whole entire production.
Yes.
Magkano ulit yung ticket? 50 and 80?
Yes, we
50
have
and 80.
50 and
Okay.
80.
Sulit po yun. I'm telling you. 'Cause
Sobrang
I've
sulit talaga.
I've seen the TCC, the curtain call, which
Yes.
happened last December. Sulit po. Madaming umiyak. Oh, di ba? And
Pero this time, wala namang iiyak.
Oo, wala namang iiyak.
Lahat tayo ay mag-e-enjoy. Meron pa nga kasing na-accident.
is Sir Homer na alala
Ay, ba't mo
ko.
sinabi?
Siguro
Alam mo
maiiyak,
ba?
pero
Ano?
sasakit ang likod.
Honestly, I thought it was part of the entire play.
O, diba? Ganyan
Diba?
umacting ang Topi.
You actually wing it off.
Totoo.
Oh, diba?
Kahit
Alam
madisgrasya
mo yun.
ka, kahit matumba ka,
Wow.
the
Part,
show must
gagawin
go
talagang
on.
part ng performance.
Ang galing. Okay, so anyway, going back to the back to school. So, how long will it be? How long will it run? For-
Around
for
2 hours.
I see.
And it will be comprised of 2 acts.
Okay.
So in between, there will be intermissions. We have guest performers from the PISQ.
I see. I see.
And also, yung pinakamagaling na violinist na nakilala ko
yeah,
dito
yung
sa Qatar,
Willie.
si Willie.
Yeah.
Shout out po sa
And
mga
of course, yung mga PISQ students
Yes.
din, ang gagaling din nila. Yesterday, we had like the technical rehearsal.
I see.
And doon namin nakita, from the entry act hanggang encore part, talagang masusulit nila.
I see. Yeah.
Kahit di nakakayo umihi during the break time, may makikita talaga kayo.
Alright.
May isa nakaka-excite talaga siya.
I have guested, I would say, Willie. He
Yes.
was here last time. Tapos finalist siya ng isang talent competition
yes.
sa Pilipinas.
Yes, in the
I think.
Philippines.
I think he
Namsi.
was qualified for the semifinals.
Finals.
Finals
For the
na.
finals.
Congratulations. Oh, sorry.
Ba't natatawa kayo?
Congratulations. A wrong button.
Yes.
Alright. I hope I can guess him once again. Anyway, going back to the Topi event. So, ilan yung capacity ng venue?
It's
those who
around
didn't know.
400.
400.
Yes.
And then right now, how about the ticket sales? Are we doing so fine right now? Or
Actually, nagkaubusan na halos
Wow.
sa
Red
50.
50 tickets. Yes.
Then, yung 80 reals namin na which is the VIP,
Okay.
mas maganda yung seating nun
I
kasi
see.
nasa gitna.
Ayan, pinapakita po ni
Ayan na
Mami
yung,
Ella yun.
di ba? Ang ganda ng gold.
Ibalik mo yung kamay mo.
Ayan siya.
Tagal na exposure sa gold.
That's why if you want to have a view, a better view of the show, you avail the 80 reals
Yes.
I see.
for the
Okay,
VIP.
that's nice.
For the VIP. Yeah.
All right. And some people from the embassy will also be there.
Yes.
Hopefully, may time po talaga sila for that kasi alam naman natin kung gaano ka-busy ang mga taga-embassy.
Yes.
And yun nga, medyo naging kumbaga, naging challenging siya kasi ang Friday kasi mostly talaga family
Family
time
day, yes.
or family day. So, yun yung ini-encourage namin. Make it something different na yung family day ninyo is with Topi.
With Topi. Yes.
Yes.
Marami kayong aral na matututunan. Siguro sa ating mga adults, may mga aral tayo na nakakalimutan. And this is a good reminder na we have to appreciate some things na nandyan sa harap mo. Kaya sobrang appreciated ko ang Topi kahit na sumasakit yung ulo ko sa kanila.
Ate Tin pala is our assistant director.
Oh.
Thank you so much, Ate Tin.
You have all the right to say that actually in your stature.
Naalala ko ngayon sinabi niya last time sa TCC, abangan nyo ang pasabog ng Topi ngayong 2020.
Na-pressure ako kasi bumalik sa akin.
Be careful what you eat.
Oo nga. Next time, wag nyo na akong interviewin. Paps kasi.
Okay. Anyway, going back to the I would say, how do you say it?
The show.
The show. Kasi sabi ko concert lagi eh. Going back to the show, what is the mixture of presentations? Ano ba yung makikita nila? Is it okay to divulge right now or siguro
Actually,
just a sneak peek of what people will expect there when they go to the venue? Ano ba yung makikita ng mga tao doon? You don't have to
Kami.
tell everything.
Actually, yung
Kami
nakita niya sa
agad.
TCC, kung nabagabag, what you call this? Yung
Nabagabag.
nabagabag mo. Parang kung nabighani.
Nabighani.
Or naantig kayo sa...
Ayun, tama.
nakita
Yan,
nyo.
naantig.
Okay.
Kaya kung naantig kayo sa nakita nyo noong TCC, mas maaantig kayo.
Yes.
Kasi everything is on another level.
Siyempre, hindi naman namin tatanggalin yung discipline namin when it comes to theater. Kasi, yun yung pinaka-proud ako sa Topi. Kasi, like for Kish, Maestra Mafe, Chair Vit, and then the other members. And sa mga officers po pala na wala dito, shout out kay Ate Glenda, and sa iba pa natin mga core members na sina Mami Chester and Mami Leng. Hello po sa inyong lahat. And going back to that, yung discipline kasi namin sa theater, when you're singing, it's not just you're singing. You have to tell them a story. Kasi yung simple na music, kahit nga ABC pwede kang gumawa ng kwento. Isipin mo...
Pagka-chismosa pala yung pag...
Oo! Chismosa kami lahat dun, kaya nga ang dami
Gumagawa ng
naming alam
kwento, no?
Kaya...
No, on a serious note. Sorry. I'm always a goofy person. I'm sorry.
nagsama tayong dalawa. Di ang ingay. Hindi, kaya diba, like yung isang music pa lang or isang song pa lang, kaya na namin gumawa ng kwento. How about kung more than 10 songs yung maririnig at makikita nila? And I would like to commend Direk Marvin.
Yes.
Kasi talagang binigyan niya kami ng another taste of show.
Is this something different for most of you guys? Yung style ni Sir Marbs, the directing?
No, actually, hindi naman. It's just that
It's nothing new.
it's nothing new dun sa mga
Technicalities.
technicalities, may mga konting bago.
I see.
Pero mas makikita mo yung mas mahahasa mo yung professionalism
I see. Okay.
sa show, sa likod ng curtain, during the rehearsals, and even yung mga magdamagan namin yung pagkikita. Medyo umay na ako sa kanila.
Okay lang, isang linggo na lang.
Hindi ka sure.
Actually, umay na
Huwag
rin
ka
si Vin.
magsabi ng ganyan.
Kung umay ka, umay na
pala
rin si
maging officer.
Sa isip ni Maestra, same, di mo lang alam.
I've heard so much stories.
Parang ayoko na mga magsabi ng abangan nyo ang pasabog after nito.
Talagang sumasabog.
Kaya nga, be careful what you wish for.
Okay, anyway, it's some say it's a good stress, it's a good problem, I would say. At the same time, it's about time for you guys to unwind. It's a weekend, it's a family day, as I mentioned, and it's about time that you have like a breath of fresh air naman. Because all these times we've been having concerts, singing, try to have a mixture of it.
Yes.
Magkaroon tayo ng teatro, diba?
Yes.
Which is spearheaded by Topi. I would say you're one of the top tier theater dito sa Qatar. No joke, diba? Nakita ko na, I've seen them all. No offense. No offense sa isang kilala, pero Topi pa din ako. Yeah. That's the unbiased, I would say, observation. Okay. Balikin natin si Maestra Mafe.
Nako. Nanahimik naman.
Kasi I'm pretty sure na ngayon, in a span of how many years as a member? 2 years?
2 years.
Tama?
2 years.
Ano bang nabago sa buhay mo mula nung naging part ka ng organization?
Nako, naging matinay ako.
Actually, nung una ko siya
Parang
nakilala,
violent agad nako.
sobrang tahimik niya talaga.
Okay.
Tapos parang
Tahimik ako.
super...
Naka muna siya, pasagutin ko.
Naalala ko kasi...
Oy, pakikuha to. Go ahead.
Totoo naman, na talagang tahimik ako.
I see.
Hindi talaga ako makwentong tao. At saka,
Ako'y
medyo
tahimik lang sa
pinipili ko
umpisa.
ng mga taong kinakasama ko.
I see.
Pero, nung napasama ako sa Topi, sabi nga ng pinsan ko, pag minsan lalo na pag inaabot ako ng gabi,
So it's a bad thing that you know that. Inaabot ka ng gabi dati, alas 8 na sa bahay ka na, no?
alas 5 pa lang. Hindi,
But in a good way, I think.
In a good way
Yeah.
naman. At marami ako natutunan din sa Topi, lalo na rin kay Kuya Demi.
Yeah.
Kasi siya yung before
idol
na-
ko yun.
Kuya,
Idol ko yun, sobra. Alam mo
Iba
yung...
yung level niya.
Yeah, iba. Nung nasa MVF event, what was it? 2 weeks ago?
Yeah,
September
September
6,
6.
yes.
Tama, 4 weeks ago.
That was a success, really.
Yeah, it
A
was
month
really
ago.
successful. Gusto ko yung ginaganon-ganon yung hangin, no?
Airbender.
But you know what? To be, on an honest note, okay, ito lang. To be a conductor, a maestro of all the choral groups here in Doha na hindi lang Pilipino, di ba?
Yes.
Ay, no. Nakaka-proud ka, Kuya Debs. Sobra, as in. Very talented, no? Tapos pupunta lang sa piano. Ting! Ganun na. Minsan di ko maintindihan yung, di ba? Nalala mo, tinanong kita.
Ano yun?
Ba't yung ginagawa yun? Ano yun? Talabat order?
Hindi, doorbell.
Yeah. That you explain to me the technicality about it. And for those who didn't know, sige, explain mo sa kanila para alam din nila.
Hindi, kasi yun yung first note.
Yun.
Yun yung first note. Kasi sa dinami-dami ng songs na nasa isip mo, nagmi-mix yung mga first note.
Tingnan mo,
Yung
di rin
mga-
alam ni Ella. Diba? So, that was also the same time I wondered, ba't niya ginagawa yun? Ba't siya nagpe-press ng piano? Pwede naman diretso yung nagana. I think that's actually a way to recall the note
Yes.
bago ka magsimula. As well for the singers, diba?
Yes.
Right. Do you also practice the same kind of method sa group nyo? Sa
Yes,
Topi?
yes.
I see.
Maestra,
Just-
si Maestra
yeah.
ang ano dyan.
Oh, paano mo ano naman yung ginagawa mo proseso pag ganun?
Hindi, usually naman talaga hindi nawawala sa amin. Before kami mag-start, nagkakaroon kami ng mga vocal warm-up.
I see.
Ayun.
I see.
Tapos ituturo lang. Yung mga songs, actually pinagtutulungan namin tatlo
I
ni na
see,
Ate
I
Tina
see, I
tsaka
see.
ni Vin.
paano nyo pinipili yung kanta? Kasi madami ng kanta sa mundo eh. Paano nyo sinusort yung kanta na, okay, ito yung para sa atin?
May bumubulong lang sa amin.
Lalo na sa kanya, may bumubulong sa kanya. Nararamdaman ko lang.
Huwag mo nang sabihin.
Wala na, tapos na to. Matay sa kabila. Yung totoo. Yung totoong sagot naman.
Hindi, lahat kami,
Ayun.
pinag-uusapan namin ano ba yung mga songs na pwede nating i-present o i-perform sa mga ganitong events, lalo na na-invite tayo dito. O ito para sa show natin, ano yung mga pwede nating
Kantahin.
kantahin.
Binabagay nyo ba
Yes.
sa occasion din?
Opo.
Yes.
So, para di kayo pwede mag-coconut nut all the time. Naalala ko yun. Kisha, I have a question for you.
Yes.
Diba before, lagi ka lang nasa sidelines, right? When you were starting. Right now, you were already given like roles na, bigger roles, bigger responsibility. How do you feel about it?
I feel happy about
Yeah.
it gives me the motivation to
Yeah, that's
push
nice.
myself
Aw.
more.
That's so nice. Tama yun. Tama
To be
yun.
fair kasi, sa Topi, we're not just relying sa talent.
Talent.
We are relying sa commitment and hard work. And
Yeah.
si Kish actually is one of those.
Yeah,
And yung mga bata talagang, alam nyo, mas masisipag pa ang mga bata kaysa sa amin. Adults, wag kayong magagalit. Totoo lang tayo, okay? Pero ganun talaga. Talagang mas may
Daming
tiyaga
tinamaan.
sila. Oo. Kahit nga ako natamaan
Yeah.
din. Pero talaga, kaya we're giving them more exposure. Kasi mas ramdam namin yung dedication nila sa mga
That's
ganun na bagay. Siyempre, you have enough time and mas madali silang matuto.
Yeah. At a young age, mas
Yes.
okay pa yung memory nila eh. Yung tulad namin, minsan yung nail cutter, di ko alam saan ko nilagay yun. Diba? And you have to, I have to agree with you what she said. Hard work beats talent.
Yes.
Totoo
Yes.
yun. I've proven it so many times. Kasi ako yung talent.
Akala ko ako yung hard work.
Oh my God.
So alam niyo na pag sumali si Francis sa Topi ha.
Wala. Chaos.
I always know what's best for me.
And what's best for us?
Kung ayaw yung mapunta kayo sa
Maling landas.
Maling landas, wag niyo ako isali. Okay. I'm happy to be part of your programs or shows on the side. Okay na ako dun, masaya na ako dun. Makita ko na kayo mag-perform sa stage, masaya na ako dun.
And FYI guys,
It gives me a lot
nag-host siya sa Topi.
Talaga?
Hindi ko alam.
Talaga sa Roman. Di ba na, honestly, whenever I see you guys perform on stage, talagang iba yung joy na binibigay nyo eh. Alam niyo TCC, I was about to cry. I just can't. Because I'm the host.
Sisinga ka pa.
I would say that I'm 100... Oh.
Nawala. Anyari?
Wait. May naka-off.
Saan?
Wait. Balak na tayo.
Tanggal. Ito.
Take a break. We'll be right back.
We got lots of prizes in the upcoming days.
This is a diverse culture. It's not just Filipinos listening to us.
I know you guys are dying to get to them a ticket.
When I was your age, I never thought about these things.
Hey, we're back in Live on Q. Sorry about it. So, sobrang saya namin, may nakasipa ng wire.
Huwag niyong sabihin ako.
Natamaan na siya.
Sorry, but it's fine. Okay. Anyway, right now we'll be giving out a ticket a free ticket for
Ayan na.
the event is coming October 18. So you guys, we have few names here by the way. Who'll be part of the raffle. Okay, I'll show it on screen.
Yes.
So, eto
So,
sila. Sino-sino to mga to?
Ito yung ating mga, ano yan ba? Yung mga 222?
Sorry. Napindot ko kanina. Okay, go. Yeah,
Okay,
yun.
so before we start with the raffle draw, etong mga names na nakikita nyo sa screen, kasi meron tayong mechanics, diba?
Okay.
The first mechanic is share the post.
Okay.
And then, what else? Tag 2 people na you want to
Be a part of it.
watch the show with.
Yeah.
And then, heart
React.
post. I mean, heart i-react and dapat naka-follow sa Topi
Yes.
page. So, dun tayo nag-base ng ating kung sino yung mga nakapasok sa
Yun ang
raffle
ating
draw.
criteria.
Yes.
Right.
And
Okay.
those who will win, kung sino man yung mapili, automatically, labas na siya sa bahay ni Kuya. Ay, mali.
Ano ba talaga?
Sa kanya yung 3 VIP tickets
Wow!
sa show 1. That will be like 3 p.m. show.
Oh, show 1.
Yes,
They
show
don't have an
1.
option to choose which show they wanted to
No.
watch.
No.
What if di siya available? Paano yun? Diba?
Ay, pagpasa Diyos na lang natin.
Ala.
Hindi,
Okay, but I
Hindi,
think-
ganun
Okay.
yung ating kasi yung dalawang raffle draw tayo. So the first one is for the show 1.
Okay.
And the
And the second
second
one
raffle
is
is for the
for the
show
show
2.
Sige. Okay. Kayo yung bahala dyan. Kayo yung taga-Topi.
Yes po. Pero if
Alright.
ever, let us know kung ano. Kasi we
Sige.
can do some
Make some
adjustments.
adjustments.
Yes.
Alright.
Pero for now, picture sila.
Paano?
After ng show.
Yes.
I see.
Meron din
Okay.
po silang time to have a picture with the
Okay.
other
With
Topi
us, yes.
members.
Okay.
Yes po.
All right. So if you're ready, here we go. We're about to do the draw lots or from the Wheel of Fortune. I would say. What's this? Okay. So first winner will get how many tickets?
He will get 3 VIP tickets.
3 VIP.
Yes.
Okay.
Isang beses lang tayo
All right.
mag-raffle.
So here we go. Hello. Yan na. Jane
Villanueva
Who's this?
Herrera!
Congratulations.
Ang galing naman. Sino ba yung tinag niya dito?
I don't know.
Miss Jane, sana naman nandyan ka pag gawlawin mo ang baso. Miss
Ayun.
Jane, ang tinag ni Miss Jane si Doc Rosana at saka
Oh,
si
wow.
Lizelle Cosico.
Congratulations.
Ayan po. So,
Alright.
ang tanong naman, paano nila
Claim.
ma-redeem or makiklaim yung kanilang tickets.
Okay.
So, you have the option. Kung gusto nyo sa mismong
Event?
event, sa show date na mismo sa October 18, it's okay. So, one of our admins will be messaging you on Facebook. And pakibigay na lang po yung names ng mga bibigyan ninyo ng ticket or kahit si Miss Jane na lang with her phone number.
Okay. All right.
Yes po. Then doon na lang po sa ating reception, doon yung makukuha yung kanilang tickets.
All right. Perfect. Do we have to move on to the next one?
Okay na kasi
Okay na
second.
yun?
Yes. Only one lang.
Okay.
Akala ko
Uy, wala nang budget.
Akala ko. Ready pa
Doon
naman
tayo
ako.
sa totoo.
Nag-ready pa naman ako. Ilalabas ko sana
Stretching.
yung tambyo lang totoo. Okay. All right. Well, it's been a fun afternoon with you guys from Tanghalang Overseas Pinoy. Once again, Christine Chi, Mafe, Vin, and of course Kisha, and of course Ma'am Ella, Sir Homer, Sir
Kuya
Danny, and Sir Tom for being here at the studio. Maraming salamat. Anybody you want to shout out first before we close the show?
Kish.
Sige, go ahead. Kish.
Dami yan, no?
If you wanna come here, sige, dito na kayo sa
Dito
sa
na po tayo
screen.
sa
Sa screen
screen.
para makita natin
Kuya
lahat.
Dami, maas na.
Yun. Ayan, sige. Ayan. Wala. Si Tin lang yung malikot. Ito, sir. Pababa ka konti. Ayun. Ayan. Sige. Ayan. Or you can get the other may chair pa yun isa. May isa pa akong monoblock yata dyan. Ayan. Nice. Akala ko dito nakaharap. Ganito ako. Go ahead.
Shout out
Go ahead.
na.
Shout out kay Daddy Lo.
Sino pa? Sino pa? Go ahead.
Kirsten, Chloe, Heaven
Hi.
Agustin, Mama, Bren, Drew, Ashira,
Okay lang, may time pa tayo.
DJ Jules, Ayesha, and
Okay.
Mamela.
Alright. Thank you so much for watching, guys. And about you, Vin? Anybody?
Of course, shout out sa aking family dyan sa Philippines, my wife, them, and my kid Enzo. So, hello, nandito na ako sa QCast. And of course, shout out din sa mga PISQ family ko, yung mga students ko, and then yung mga kaibigan ko, yung mga co-teachers ko. Hello po. Thank you so much for watching QCast. And of course, shout out din sa lahat ng nanonood ngayon dito sa QCast.
Alright. Sir, Homer, anybody?
Shout out to Gina, Claire, and Grace, and to my mom in the Philippines.
Hello. Thanks for watching. Sige, go ahead.
Si Besh.
Sino ba?
Jack and Poy muna kayo.
Tapos ikaw ganyan.
Shout out sa mga ko nanonood sila from Philippines, si Kuya Leo, si Kuya Earl, at saka si Kuya Cyrus. And shout out din sa mama ko at papa ko. Tita Mita, hello po. Pagaling ka po.
Alright. Thank you so much. Besh.
Ako naman, di ba?
There you go.
Time ko na.
Sige, alis muna kami.
So, shout out po sa Baladno family ko na
Yes.
nagbumili ng tickets to
Yes.
support Kish and our Topi family. Shout out din sa mga kamami ko na patuloy na nagsusuporta sa ating Topi babies. Sa mga kapatid ko, sa lahat ng manonood at please support Topi and QCast.
Thank you so much po. Pa-follow po
Yes.
ng page namin, okay?
Yes.
We just started like 2 months ago. It's actually, we have a very good, I would say, foundation ng ating mga following. It's all quality people.
Tayo sa quality.
Yeah. Over quantity. Alright. Sige, Tin, anybody?
Ako naman, shout out to the Topi officers and corps na hindi kasi sila available
Yeah,
sa
sa
time
time,
na to.
yes.
Pero yung dedication nila from weekend to weekdays, andyan talaga sa ating Topi mommies and daddies na
Yeah.
walang sawa na maghatid sundo ng mga anak
Oo nga,
nila.
no, ang tsatsaga
At
nila
mag-video,
sobra.
mag-picture at check out sa Shein.
Yeah. the parents of
Bayad-bayad
Yoshi, the parents of the Concepcion
Yes.
family.
Basco
Grabe.
family.
The Basco family.
And shout out po kay Direk Marvin.
Direct Marbs, good
Hello,
afternoon to
Direk.
you. Thank
Sana
you.
po ay nakatulog na kayo ng maayos. And sa ating mga intermission performers,
Yes.
looking forward talaga kami sa magiging performance ninyo this coming
Willie.
Friday.
Yeah.
Kina Willie and PISQ students. And shout out to my mom and dad sa US. Hello, artista na ako.
Dito na po ako sa eye to eye. Naalala mo pa yun?
Nandito na po ako sa Tulfo.
Ay, wag naman! Oh, God.
Shout out din sa ating mga Topi members na ang iingay dyan sa comment
Yeah.
section. Si Sir Jyrek, si Ma'am Ting, to my Maharlika family.
Yes.
To
Sky.
the SGE family. And special shout out kay Ma'am Ruth. Happy birthday po.
By the way.
Birthday po. Birthday.
Yeah,
Sir
forgot.
Sky, hello. Yun po. Yun lang sa akin.
Sir
Baka bukas pa tayo
Jairex
matapos.
Abrasado, good afternoon to you. Thank you for watching. Sir Jairex, to Ika, Fab and Ika, good afternoon as well. Thank you so much. To Ma'am Katrina,
Yes.
si Ma'am Kat. She's also
Poblete.
watching. The mother of Ayana Poblete. Thank you for being with us this afternoon. Also to Ma'am Rosana Milyar Barrera. Magandang hapon sa inyong lahat. Thank you so much, guys. It's been a fun weekend. I really enjoyed it. I enjoyed the session with Topi. I hope to see you guys again next time, and always be supporting all your projects. Sigurado yan, okay? It's my pleasure to be having you this afternoon, and I look forward to a lot more. All right? So to all our viewers, thank you. See you again next time here on Live on Q. Bye, guys.
Bye.
And that's on cue for today. See you again next time.
We got lots of prizes in the upcoming days.
This is a diverse culture. It's not just Filipinos listening to us.
I know you guys are dying to get to them a ticket.
When I was your age, I never thought about these things.